It's Plastic Pixels coming back at you with another review. Today, we got the Garbage Pail Kids 2021 Food Fight Emerald Pack. Yeah, Emerald Pack. Green Pack. Whatever. So, let's get into it. Me personally, I'm a huge Garbage Pail Kids fan. Be dating myself here. You know, I grew up with the original Garbage Pail Kids line. My sister had Cabbage Patch Dolls, which they were like a play on. If you don't know what that is, Google is your friend. Yeah, talking some real old toy shit here. Anyway, Garbage Pail Kids were like a parody of them. Toy Galaxy actually did a feature on them. So we're gonna get into this unboxing. Alright, so we got Ralph and Rachel as our celebrity chef card. Let's see who else we got. Ralph and Rachel. Shout out to Rachel Ray. She used to be my little chef celebrity crush back in the day. So that's kind of funny. I don't know what she's doing now besides like pissing people off making puzzle. Let's see who else we got in here. We got Food Hall, not too sure who that is. And we got Invisible Irvin. I have no clue who that is. Great Pizza Kitchen, I don't know. So, alright, boom, let's get into it. 10 packs. And a big old piece of styrofoam. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just pull one from the middle. We'll go with that. Let's all go. Hall & Oates, sorry. We got Tony Tomato. Back we got a little subliminal thrown at Starbucks, Big Bucks. Got Messy Jesse. Trashy Trey. What up, Trashy Trey? Ring Poppy. Woody Blocks, or sorry about that, Woody Blocks. And Dipping Derek. Alright, on to pack number 2. Alright, got my man Takeout Tom. Soy sauce. Okay, we 2 for 2 on the Asian food. Oh. Hard Shelly. Sorry about that. Blue Spew. Icy Bear. Nice. Marsha Mallow. Easter is on the way. Peeps are gross. If you eat peeps, you should be put in jail. Sorry, that's just what it is. Loaf of Fred, Chuck Steak, Donut Don. Alright, on to pack number 3. It's the magic number, right? Cheesy Chester. Libby Linguini. Finger Lick Kin. It's a good one. Junkatarian John. Also could possibly be me. Venture Donald. Cavi D. Here's one I'm familiar with. Overseasoned Sean. Oh, then we got Steve Heave. Turned to the Icy Bear. They're a different name. Mind you, I'm not like super into GPK. I just think they're kind of cool. They're just pretty burnt up. I don't know, whatever. All right, so got Spitting Spitzer. Herschel Squirts. Food Selfie Steffi. That ain't fair. Well, not her, but a girl like her. Cookie Pusher. It's that season. They caught me on the humble the other day. Had to do it. Bought Tagabonds if anyone's wondering. Insect Isaac. Creamed Phil. Oh, hell yeah. Condiment Cody. Whizzing Winthrop. Alright, people, we got 6 more packs to go through. So let's try to speed this up a little bit more. Sorry about that. Grady Grapefruit. Soupy Candace. Dan Opener. Brad Pitt. Gooden. Hunter Gatherer. Joe Cone. Shake it like a salt shaker, shake it like a salt shaker, shake it like a salt shaker. Salt Shaker, that's his name. In case anyone's wondering or cares. Alright, Flaky Fran. Stomping Stella. Gummy Goose. Adam Appetite. Oh, sweet. It's pretty cool. Get a free digital pack. Nice. Drink Upton. That's pretty good. Zap Zach. Blended Billy. Who's also the he's the poster, like the Collect and Connect, or I don't know what it's called, but he is the poster for this series as well. Greta Dean. Battling Bev. All right, we are down to four packs of these GPK food fights. Would I buy these again? Maybe. It's a strong maybe. I do like them, but like I collect too many things. Obviously, I collect too many things currently. So you know, the digital pack, I'm down with that though. I like digital things. Chomping Chad. Hydrate Tate. Barf Out Al. Pinched Pepper. Toasted. Oh, that's gross. Shrimpy Cheryl. I'll have that before. Pop Corey. Oof. Peter Pellets. That's gross, man. That's foul. Jeez. Alright. Down to 3 packs, folks. So let's get it. thanks for watching this. I apologize. It's my first card unboxing video, so if I'm taking too long, I sincerely apologize. Funnel Finley, Flea Flow, Play Ball, like play ball, Billy Up. Ooh, shit. Wow. Feastin' Easton. Boardwalker. Split Brit. Kareem Filling. Oh, that's a good one. I'll have to show that to my roommate. That's his name, Kareem. Alright. Got 2 more packs of these left. I think I probably would buy these again. I think I probably would, just to complete the set. I think it's orange, blue, green, and red. Those are the color tins that they come in. All right, Noodle Harriet, Served Sammy. Had to look at that twice just to make sure it didn't say Severed Sammy. Fingernail. Deveined Valerie. It's not as good as the other one. Sour Scott. Picky Mickey. Everybody loves Pocky. Rotting Rob. That dude has been in my fridge before. And Third Helping Theo. Very familiar with him. Been him a lot of times in my life. As you can clearly see. Alright, down to the final and last pack, folks. Let's get into it. We got Jarring Jessica. We got Stick Up Stanley. Cookie Cutter Cooper. Drippy Skippy. Sweet Tooth, Sweet Ruth. Perry Premium. No Meat Pete. He's real. He's a real dude. And Sugar Sheena. Alright, folks, so that wraps it up for the 2021 Garbage Pail Kids Food Fight Emerald Pack. So just real quick, reading the back of this and seeing what the rare cards are sequentially numbered. Base Parallels, Booger Green, 1 and 2, Mustard Yellow, 1 and 10, Fool's Gold, 1 and 358 packs, Printing Plates, 1 and 13,196, Artist Autographs, 1 and 646, Sketch Cards, 1 and 410, and the Panoramic Sketch Card, 1 and 9,897. But I guess you can, on a 3x5 card mail in a number 10 envelope to Garbage Pail Kids Series Food Fight, and you can have, you can actually enter to win one of those cards as well, instead of pulling them from this box, which is kind of cool.